Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome to my channel Unique Astro. I am Saroj Kumar Samar. Today in this video I am going to talk about third house. Third house, third house is your learning ability. Ability to learn, action and reaction. Whatever you are doing, the way you react, this all is part of your third house. When you are learning a thing, it is part of your third house. Third house is your classroom. Everything that is organized or is in a sequence, it is third house. Meeting, third house. You are having a party, it is part of your third house. There is difference between party and celebration. Like if you are having marriage, that is part of your second house, one of the part of your second house. But if you are celebrating something, that is part of your second house. But if you are doing things in a very organized manner, and when you know where you know how many people are going to come, like limited 10 people or 5 people, that is part of your third house. Third house is communication, your ability to communicate. You know words, but when you are actually using that words to write or to make a speech, that is your third house. Actually, public speech is not part of your third house. Public speech is part of your 11th house. Whatever you do in third house, you are actually and directly or indirectly responsible for that, and people may use that to make you responsible. Like you are making contracts, that action is part of your third house, and people may sue you for that. If you are not keeping your part of bargain, then people may sue you. So third house is the action that you do to create your memories, like taking selfie, writing a poem, or making a speech is part of your third house. Dressing well, part of your third house. Going to office, part of your third house. Playing cricket, part of your third house. Action, whenever you are generating action, is part of your third house. And as much action you do, that many memories you create. So exhausting yourself or exhausting your third house, by exhausting your third house, you actually create your second house. As much work you do, you may create that many wealth, or you may open that many source of creating your wealth. So third house is your commercial activities. Third house is marketing. Third house is your technology that you may use to expand your business. Third house is your Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger. Third house is your messaging. Third house is not application but writing of application. Third house is not that speech but making of speech. Third house is not this video, but when I am making this video, it is part of my third house. Third house is signals that actually directs you to do something. It is third house. Your directions, part of your third house. Your handicrafts or some sculpture that you make, that is part of your third house. Your skills that you generate, as good your third house will be, that better your skills will be. Like you are an administrator, but the skills that you use to administer a thing, that is skill is part of your third house. All kind of skills is part of your third house. I am an astrologer, okay fine, but how good I am in my work, that goodness is part of my third house. Third house is your ability to learn. When you are a student, how much well you can learn, that ability is your third house. Third house is your attitude. When people is afraid of you for something, they are actually afraid of your third house, because that is ability. If you are going in front of a bodybuilder, and if he says something to you, you will not reply to him. Why? Because you know he will beat you. You are actually afraid of him just because of your third house ability. If some weak person is coming to you, and you may say so many things to him, it is also because of your third house. Your action and reaction, why you are having any kind of reaction, is part of your third house. Your training, when you are getting trained for something, when teacher is teaching you and you are understanding that, you are learning cycling, you are learning driving, it is part of your third house. Actually the driving is part of your third house. Maybe you are riding bicycle, you are riding car or whatever. Driving is part of your third house. Walking is part of your third house. Running is part of your third house. Going into gym and making your body, part of your third house. And manipulation, your ability to manipulate someone, that is part of your third house. Third house is actually your diplomacy, how much good you are in diplomacy. Third house is your planning, whatever you plan you make, that is part of your third house. How well you can make your plans, that is part of your third house. Third house is your focus, third house is your company. Third house is when you actually sit in your office and make a work. Third house is teamwork, your team is part of your third house. Third house is coordination, third house is meeting. Why meeting? In meeting you know how many people is going to come. Third house is interview. Third house is your sale, when you are actually in your in market or in your shop and you are trying to sell something, that part of bargain, that deal making, is your third house. Third house is messaging, third house is your mentality. Third house is response, third house is your short term travels, not long term travels. If you are going from your home to your office, that is part of your third house. From your room to your washroom, that is part of your third house. Jogging, part of your third house. Small group interaction, that is part of your third house. Not like Facebook groups, that is not part of your third house. But your Facebook on wall, your wall is part of your third house. There you know how many people are in your friend list, and you actually know them, and you write there something to interact with those few people. But when you are writing a public speech, making a public speech, or when I am making this video for you, and if I am putting it on YouTube, then it is part of my 11th house. But if I am sending this video to very few people, then it is part of my third house. In your class very few people are there, and there is interaction between both the parties. See, actually third house is kind of interaction for what others people may make you responsible. If there is a teaching, like I am making this video, and you may ask me, you may not ask me, but if you are asking me and I am not responsible to reply you, if I am not replying you, it is part of my 11th house, because you can't make me responsible for whatever I am doing. But if I am replying you, if I am feeling obliged to reply you, that is part of my third house. What happens in classroom? Teachers teaching to the student, students noting it down, and if students have some question, he can ask back to teachers. So press conference is part of your third house. But because there the reporter, he is actually asking questions and the person has to reply, it is part of third house action. But if I am into rally, their press, they will come and they will cover me, but they cannot question me. Whatever I have to speak, I will speak and I will go. That is part of 11th house. So this is the minute difference between speeches that you make. So third house is small group interactions where both the parties are coordinating themselves. Third house is dating, where you are meeting your partners and only two close people are there. Third house is small groups that you make, like 10 group friends, like in your WhatsApp. you are making group, those groups are part of your third house, but Facebook groups part of your 11th house. So small groups of friends, a small assembly, this is part of your third house. Your business is 7th house, but ability to have business is part of your third house. Third house is that part of your life that actually says if you are a brave person or if you are a coward. Third house is your long planning or short planning. Third house is how you function. Third house is your younger brothers, sisters. Third house is your say, cousins. Third house is your neighbors. Whoever is just next to you. Third house is neighboring countries. Third house represents a yodha, a warrior. Third house is your communications. Third house is instruction that you give to others or instruction that you gain by others. Third house is explanation. Third house is training. Third house is your craft. So these were all things that were related to your third house. And something that I missed was like reading abilities, your speaking abilities, reading and writing. Praise is part of your third house. Publication is a part of your third house. Making Xerox is part of your third house. And actually, making duplicate of anything is part of your third house. There is an original product, and if you are making duplicacy, if you are doing if you are being busy in the work of duplication, it is part of your third house. Third house actually makes you vulnerable. Third house is legal contracts. Third house is things that makes you legally binding. Third house is journalism, writing journals. Third house is narration. Third house is announcements. Third house is reports. Now, what are the things that will influence your third house? For this, you need to see the placement of your second house lord and third house lord and fourth house lord. Planets that get placed in second house, planet that get placed in fourth house also influence your third house. Wherever your third house lord is placed, that sign will also influence your third house. The planets that will get placed with your third house lord or in third house will also influence your third house. Planets that will lay aspect to your third house or third house lord will also influence your third house. The nakshatra in which your third house is placed will also influence your third house. So this was all about third house. If you liked my video, then please share it with your friends, colleagues, and let them also get benefited. So please like, subscribe, and share my videos. We'll meet soon again. Thank you.